data set? Tu te rappelles, MNIST? The MNIST was the handwritten digit data set. Can you hear me? Yes. So let's say you use whatever data set that you're using. You have to explain for you to get the maximum mark. You have to explain the data set. You have to give me the link of the data set. Now, do not, for the assignment, you won't get marks for that. Do not just take a data set that is available on Kaggle. Anyway, you're going to give me the link. During correction, I'm just clicking on the link. If you have just taken the codes from there and then produced to me, you won't get marks for that. Right? So what I'm expecting you to do in the data set, you have learned about different classification models. You use any classification model, you apply it on your data set, and then you give me the output. First of all, of course, import the different libraries. You have to split your data set into training and testing. We just saw that in an example, I think 2 weeks back, 2 lectures back, and then another one. I showed to you how we split the data set. Right? Then you train the model using the data set. For each model, you have to predict the outcome. And then you show to me visually. You give charts, you give explanation, you evaluate what is happening, you tweak your parameters, you show to me what is happening. Then you compare, you produce, of course, this you produce your producing chart, along with explanation. You won't just get 10 marks, you just give me the different charts there. Then you do the evaluation using the confusion matrix. You discuss on the results. You compare it in a table. CX et al. Have got this, have used this classification model. This is the explanation. Why you have chosen this one. This is the assignment. You take a data set, you apply you train the models, you give me the results, you evaluate the results, and you compare the comparison. You will see you have 15 marks, you have to compare it properly, discuss on this, just like a research paper.
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Just a follow-up question on that. So if I understood correctly, so we actually take 3 models, like suppose we take logistic regression or random forest or also any kind of models. We take 3 models, we use a certain data set to just apply these models to these data set, and from there on we just compare which one is our best choice and why are we choosing that specific model for this assignment.
No, not only you're comparing the choice among the 3 models. See here. Even you just taken a model, you take 3, no, you compare it with others of similar type found in the literature review. This at the end you will have to do. For each of the model, you have to show to me, yes, this is the analytics part, this is the analysis, this is where you will use references. You have to give me recent references. This is where you're going to get marks. It's very easy just to have some generated charts from ChatGPT, but this is not what I need. Right? You have the display, you're going to give me the evaluation is very important. You're not comparing only with the free models. You have to critically analyze at least 8 other papers for you to get the 15 marks. You have to earn the 15 marks.
But the data set in itself, if you're saying that we don't take something from Kaggle. But if we don't take it...
No, you have to take the data set from Kaggle. You can take the data set from anywhere.
Yeah.
GitHub, Kaggle.
So we can take it from anywhere. It's just the model itself that we should be designing it on our own. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Even model, you can use pre-trained models. But then you're adapting to your data set and discussing critical analysis, critical thinking. I want you to see your discussion. I want to see you how you're minimizing the error. What happens? What you can give like a small reflection in the evaluation, whether you think it works well. You have to talk of biases of data right away. You won't get perfect data. I'm just not expecting you to get the perfect data. It's the work behind that I want. It's not just like we just did an example. I could have demonstrated easily, okay, this is my Excel sheet. I have the X, I have the activation function. This is my solver. You just click, this solve. No, what is happening behind? Why this is happening? Why I'm not converging to the answer? This is what I am expecting in the assignment.
Okay, thank you. That helps a lot.
Yeah, yes. Please do it like this, then you're going to get marks. Any questions, others?
Do we have a date for our class test for this module?
Yes, I did share it with you last time, isn't it?
Yeah, just like on Google Classroom, we didn't write it. That's why I wanted to confirm.
Yes, okay,
because we
I'll
will
write it
forget
on
it.
Google Classroom.
Okay.
Which date I have set, because I have set the dates accordingly with all the constraint. I don't remember the dates. I know it's, of course,